When you log into the Discord app on your phone, you will be taken to the last place that you left off. In this case, I am in my direct message center, which is at the top left. In order to get to the Burn Club server, you click on the little wood slice icon and you will see all the channels, the admin section. You will see the Burn Club channels, and then you will see Burn Club Plus channels if you are part of Burn Club Plus. In order to submit a burn challenge, go into the Burn Challenge channel by tapping on it, and you will be taken to all of the submissions and challenges that ever were here. You can search through them, and if you want to post your own, you click on the little plus icon at the bottom right, and here you will be taken to a new forum post where you can put in your title. Let's put test, and you can write your description. In this description, you can put in what you burned on, how you came up with the design, how big it is, if it's for sale, whatever you want to include in your post. Now, two things to make sure on the bottom here, include a photo, at least one photo of your piece, and also a tag by clicking on it and choosing an appropriate tag for whatever challenge is currently you're submitting for. You can submit for old challenges if you want, and just make sure it's the right challenge submitted. I'm going to choose Symmetry because that one is last month's. And once you're happy with your title and your description, your photo and your tag, you can hit post. If you want to double check the rules, you can go on the little plus icon here, and that'll take you into the post guidelines. But once you're satisfied with all your text, then you could just hit post. Once that posts, you'll be able to see any comments here as they come in. Hit the little back button to go back to the main channels. You'll notice that there is now a subfolder with your post on it. That is awesome if you want to keep a track of comments and stuff, but it can get a little bit busy if you've submitted in a bunch of places and you don't want these subfolders. Then you just simply hit your post and then click following on the bottom here. So that will unfollow. So now you'll notice that when you go back to the channels, click away from the channel, and you'll notice that the subfolder is gone. Now, if you want to still receive notifications on your post but not have the subfolders, you can go into the channel, find your post, tap on it and hold it down, and then you can either edit your post here, or you can edit tags, you can copy link if you want to share it to somebody. But at the bottom, closer to the bottom, are notifications. And this is where you can choose all messages, and that means any comments that will come in, you'll get notified with a little dot on your post. All right, if you want to look for other people's posts in previous challenges, perhaps, then you can go on the top here and click on tags, and then you can choose a tag. So let's say I want to see the snowflake challenge and what people did for the snowflake challenge. So I tap on that, and all of the submissions for the snowflake challenge will be posted here. So you can check it out that way. And then in order to see all the submissions, again, you need to clear the tags. So click on tag again, and you can hit clear here, or you can go down here and just unclick it and then swipe down to get rid of that. And then you'll notice all of the posts are back again for all of the challenges that ever were. The posts are posted towards the top according to the date. So all the newest posts will be closer to the top. So that's why this tag section is really convenient. And the current challenge will always be pinned to the very top. So no matter what other posts come in, this challenge that is currently happening will be the first one to show up. And that's it. I hope you join us.